Okay, today we're going to be doing shadow problems. They call them shadow problems because they involve shadows. So when we look at this, a 6-foot tall man was standing next to a 30-foot tree. The tree cast a 25-foot shadow. How long was the man's shadow? Well, all we have to do is set up a proportion. We want to look at height versus shadows. So we have a 6-foot tall man. So we put the man over here. His height was 6, but how long was his shadow? We don't know, so we're going to put an X there. Over here, we're going to put the tree. I'm putting a little T just so I know that's the tree. Okay, and so it says that the tree was 30 feet tall, and it cast a 25-foot shadow. So once again, all we're doing is doing cross products. And we'll get 30x equals 150. We divide by 30, divide by 30, and we get x equals 5 feet. So the man's shadow was 5 feet. And let's check, does that make sense? The tree was 30 feet, it had a 25-foot shadow, so the shadow was shorter by just a little bit. Same thing happens with the man. His shadow is just a little bit shorter than he is. Okay, the next one. We have a 30-foot tall building, 40-foot shadow. Must be getting close to nighttime because when the shadow is longer than the building, it means the sun's about to set. At the same time, a flagpole cast a 28-foot shadow. How tall is the flagpole? So we're going to go with, on the first side, I'm going to put the building, and I'm going to do 30, because the building is 30 high, over 40, because that's how long the shadow is. I put equals, and in this case, at the same time, a flagpole casts a 28-foot shadow. I don't know how tall that flagpole is. I'm sure it's pretty tall. But how tall is its shadow? 28 feet. So here we go. We do 40x, that's that cross product, equals 28 times 30. So if we're doing that, it's going to be 0 in the first spot, 24, carry my 2, 6, 7, 8, 840, that's a lot, equals 840. So I did a little tricks over here on my multiplication. You need to do it normally. So I divide by 40, divide by 40. Let's see, how tall will my flagpole be? My flagpole will be 40 goes into 840. When I do that math, I should come up with 21 feet. So my flagpole is 21 feet tall. Okay, that's how you do shadow problems.